Let me show you something. There are only 4 users here. If you are tired of typing stuff like myself, you want to automate. For example, with this script, you will be able to create as many users as you want, just at once. For example, we want to create these 5 users. This line checks if any of these users is available. If yes, it prints this out, telling us that the user already exists. Otherwise, it creates a new user using the command SysAdd. Once created, it creates a password for these users. And that's it. Let us run it. There is a problem. Permission. Let us grant permission. To grant permission, you use the change mode command, name of the file, hit enter. Now let us try again. Now it asks for password. Now the account has been created. Now let us try again. You see, earlier we had only about 4 users. Now these new 5 users have been created for us. That's so easy. Next time, instead of typing this one by one, just automate it. Very easy. I hope this was helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel? Thank you.